When it comes to filtering a pivot table, you might decide to use slicers. Slicers are a nice user-friendly way of filtering a pivot table. Let's, for example, get rid of year and region at the top here. So I'm just going to go to my field list and drag year out of this section and drag region out of the section. I'm then going to close my field list to gain more screen space. What I'd like to do now is insert a slicer. So on my Pivot Table Tools Analyze tab, I've got a button, Insert Slicer. I'll click this button and this comes up. Now I get to choose one or more slicers. I'd like to choose a slicer by year and a slicer by region, and I'll go OK. And there are my two slicers. I can move the year slicer just by its name at the top and put it about here, and I can resize it by dragging one of the placeholders around the outside, and I get a two-headed mouse pointer. I can drag region and put it underneath here, and I can stretch it so I can see all the regions. I can also click on year, and using the slicer styles I can give it a different look, an orange flavour, and I can click on region and give it maybe a lime flavour. So how do slicers work? First of all, if I want to see just the Auckland region, I'll click Auckland. And that has just sliced my pivot table, so I'm only seeing the Auckland pivot table. If I want to see Christchurch or Hamilton, I just simply click on the region I'm after. I might want Auckland 2012, so now I've sliced it by year and by region. If I want to clear the slice by year, this little button up here is Clear Filter, and it's also Alt-C. It looks very similar to the clear button we added when we were doing filtering. So I'm going to clear the year, and all my years are back, and I can clear the region, and all my regions are back. I can also drag from Taupō down to Tauranga, Tipuki and Tokoroa, and now I've chosen these 4 regions, maybe for 2011, and I can clear. If I wish to choose specific regions other than dragging, I can click on Auckland, hold the Control key, and click on Hamilton, and click on Tauranga, and click on Wellington. So the whole idea, as you can see, is that a slicer literally slices through a pivot table and filters out just what they're after. And you can have as many slices as you like. I'm going to clear both the region slice and clear both the year slice. I'll click on year and I'll press the delete key, and that gets rid of that slicer. Click on region, press the delete key, and that gets rid of that slicer. Nice user-friendly ways of filtering a pivot table.